Everyone thinks Sunday is a holiday, a lazy, peaceful day. But if you're a mom, Sunday is just another word for chaos, with extra noise, more mess, and zero rest. Let me tell you how my Sunday begins. It's 6:45 in the morning. I'm still dreaming of sleep, wrapped up like a burrito in my blanket. Then I hear a tiny whisper near my ear. Mummy, can I play PlayStation? It's my 10-year-old son, Aryan, standing like a ghost beside my bed. I open one eye. Beta, it's not even 7 o'clock. The sun is still brushing its teeth. He says, but it's Sunday. Exactly, my child. Go play with your dreams. I close my eyes again. Just 2 more minutes. Boom! My 7-year-old daughter, Meher, jumps on the bed like she's in a circus. Mumma, I want pancakes. Right now. And me? I roll off the bed like a sleepy soldier reporting for duty. By 8 a.m., I'm flipping pancakes in one hand and cleaning dishes with the other. Aryan and Meher are now fighting over syrup. Meher, Mumma, Bhaiya took the bigger pancake. Aryan, no I didn't. She just has small eyes. Meanwhile, milk is boiling over, the gas is on high, and my chai? It's completely ignored. Again. I don't know if I'm making breakfast or taking part in a cooking competition called Survive the Kitchen. Then I make the biggest mistake of the day. I say, let's clean the house today. And poof, everyone disappears. My husband is suddenly very serious about the newspaper. Aryan is watching cricket like it's the World Cup. Meher? She's painting the wall. Yes, the actual wall. With watercolors. Now I'm in the living room, holding a broom in one hand and a mop in the other, like a warrior on a cleaning mission. Finally, I think, maybe I can drink my tea now. Ding dong. The doorbell rings. It's my in-laws. Surprise visit. And guess what my sweet daughter says? Dadi, the house is messy because Mama said she'd clean it. But then she got tired. Wow. My own child sold me out. On a Sunday. Now I'm making chai for the guests with hair like a bird's nest and atta marks all over my kurta. Battle wounds from pancake duty. Lunch turns into a wedding buffet. Roti, sabzi, dal, rice, dahi. Aryan wants roti without ghee. Meher wants rice with yellow dal only, not the chunky one. My husband asks, do we have papad? Do we? Do we even have peas? Finally, 3 p.m., everyone's full and sleepy. I think, yes, now is my moment. I will nap. Just 15 minutes. I lie down. Aryan, Mama, have you seen my cricket bat? Meher, Mama, my unicorn sticker book is missing. Husband, where's the TV remote? And just like that, I become Mama, finder of all things. Evening comes. I try making tea. Again. 4th time today. This time, I hold the cup like it's treasure. I sip slowly. It's perfect. Then Aryan shouts from the balcony. Mama, Meher dropped my Lego down the drain. Sigh. Back to work. So, was my Sunday peaceful? Not at all. Did I sit down? Just for a second. Did I laugh? Yes, mostly at myself. But was it perfect? In its own crazy, messy, magical way. Yes. Because being a mom means your Sunday isn't for rest. It's for memories, noise, and love. And maybe, just maybe, I'll finish that cup of tea next week. Love this kind of content? Hit the like button and subscribe to English Speaking Tree for more fun stories and easy English.